Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is first thing in the morning. It's about 8:30 right now. I just split a little bundle of firewood. Now I'm splitting a little bit more of this oak here for inside the woodshed. This wood here will be for the 23-24 winter. It's kind of nice coming down to the wood yard first thing in the morning, because the woodshed and everything here is in the shade for a couple hours at least. But it was hot yesterday, but not as hot as what they said it would be. Maybe it just wasn't as humid. If you watch the weather report, they acted like it's going to be the end of the world. It really wasn't that big of a deal. Basically, it's summertime. It gets hot every summer. So the way I separate this out here, I take the nice straight bark-free stuff, that's been down for a while, and I split it into bundle firewood. Everything else goes into here. I just checked the clock. It's now 8:35 a.m., which isn't too bad. I got probably, about a third of a quart of wood split there this morning, mostly bundle wood. Good way to start the day. Next up, I need to put the 48-inch grading bucket on the excavator, take it over to neighbor Cliff's. I'll come back and get the skid loader, and we're going to start filling around all that concrete concrete with the hosses finished pouring. If you saw that video the other day, we're not finished grading everything. We're just going to get things close, get a few rains on it, and then we'll get a nice load of processed topsoil to dress everything up after that. All right, I'll give you a look at this now that concrete with the hosses is done with it. This is the rolled slate right here. There's going to be another shelter built right here, similar to that one, but I think this one is going to have 3 open sides and just a wall on the back here. New sidewalk over there coming from the pool. That is rolled slate as well. And then the fire pit area here, this is the field stone, which, man, that really looks good. I think that's perfect for a fire pit. I'm just spreading this topsoil pile out here, getting it tracked in a little bit. We'll get a couple rains on this and then come over and grade everything up, and we'll get a load of processed topsoil. Got some work needs done on the other side over there. I'll use the BX for that. Got a couple big stumps to get rid of. I burn up most of them, but those 3 right there are pretty good size, so we'll knock some more dirt off of them, and once I get a good rip-roaring fire going over at the burn pit, I'll probably haul these over there and get them burned up. But yeah, it'll be good to get a couple rains on this. Everything will kind of settle in, help compact some of this topsoil. This wasn't as bad as what I thought. That pile that I had here, it's a mix of shale, bunch of roots, but it's actually coming out better than I thought it would. Well, that's about it for now. Didn't take long at all, and it's shaping up pretty good. And it's only 10:30 right now. We're doing pretty good today. And by the way, the skid loader is just about broke in. There's a 50-hour break-in period on these, and also I need to do some service at 50 hours. A hydraulic filter, a couple other things. I'll probably do that in the next day or two, but it has 46.5 hours on it so far. But we have done a lot of work with that thing in the last 46.5 hours. So I finished up at Neighbor Cliff's there a little bit ago. And it's storming all around us right now. I've had this slow leaker here on the mower. I couldn't find it. I couldn't find where it was leaking. So I just took it off, ran it to the tire shop, and they got her taken care of for me, which is good. Back in business. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I appreciate y'all being here, and I'll catch you on the next one.